In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to restore old YouTube layout. So the first step is to simply go to the description of this video, and then you're gonna find these 4 links. So you're gonna have to click them in order. So you're gonna have to click on the first one, and then you're gonna get redirected here. So simply install this Chrome extension, and then after that you're gonna have to simply go to the second one and then click and install this second extension, and then you're gonna find them right here. Now what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on the third one. So I'm gonna right click, and then I'm gonna open the link in a new tab, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on install. So don't worry, this is completely safe. So you're gonna have to simply click on install, and then you're gonna have to do the same for the last one. And basically that's all you have to do. So let's click on install, and now you're gonna have to simply refresh YouTube, and this will be fixed basically. So that's all you have to do in order to restore all the layout on YouTube. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.